There's a point in every summer where I just can't look at one more barbecue chicken. And I thought, I'm gonna test a recipe for flattened chicken, maybe like a Tuscan chicken with lemon and garlic. So I'm gonna take a whole chicken, and in order to flatten it, I'm just gonna take the backbone out. Of course, you can have the butcher do this, but it's really quite simple. Just take your knife and run it right along one side of the backbone, and then right along the other side of the backbone, just take it right out. So, I've got a flat chicken that's gonna grill evenly. Need lots of salt, give it lots of flavor. Both sides. To really bring out the chickenness in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in a pan that's big enough to hold it. That's perfect. Now we need some rosemary for the marinade. At the end of the day, chicken's pretty bland, so I want to infuse it with as much flavor as I can. So for the Tuscan lemon chicken, I'm going to start with lots of fresh rosemary, about a tablespoon. And a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Always good on chicken. I need 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So 2 teaspoons, I need maybe 1½ lemons. Okay, that's about 2 teaspoons. So right into the marinade. And then freshly squeezed lemon juice. What I'm basically making is a lemon vinaigrette with lots of fresh herbs. Just gonna squeeze. I need about 1/3 cup, which is a little more than 1 lemon, maybe 1½. Lots of pepper. 1/3 cup of olive oil. Stir it all together. And just pour it right over the chicken. This is why you want a dish that's just the size of the chicken, because you want it to really soak in the marinade. Yeah, okay, that's part 1, marinating. Part 2, the grill. And this chicken on the grill is gonna be fantastic. First thing I need to do is brush the grill. Really hot coals, but just 1 layer. I don't want it too hot, otherwise the chicken's gonna burn. So the key to cooking something like this is to make sure it's all about the same thickness, right on the grill. And at this point, most Tuscan chickens have like bricks wrapped in foil, all kinds of complicated things on top. But I just take the dish that it was marinated in, put it right on top, and that makes sure that it's really even. When the chicken goes on, don't pour the marinade over, otherwise you'll find your chicken engulfed in flames. Oh, the oil will start to burn. Not pretty. I'm just gonna cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes on each side. I actually think this might work out okay. So there are 2 ways to tell whether it's done. One is the meat thermometer, and one is just to cut between the thigh and the breast and see if the juices run clear. But 150 degrees, perfect. I'm just gonna take it off, put it on the board, cover it with aluminum foil, and let it rest, and it'll continue cooking a little bit. And the last little surprise of this recipe is grilled lemon. I'm just gonna put the lemon on the grill, and it gives a real smoky flavor to the lemon. It's fantastic, better than a sauce. Okay, just gonna cut this in quarters, squeeze it with the lemon juice, and have Tuscan grilled lemon chicken.